texting, not even FaceTiming, just texting, I don't want to be with you, bye. Can I explain myself at least?
Man, just don't break up on text. I mean, I have the balls to like just reach out to the person.
Ghosting, I feel.
Ghosting someone.
Ghosting. I think hashtag number one trending could be them cheating on you and not telling you about it and then ghosting you away.
I have this influencer friend. She dated this guy for a year and he ghosted her. No closure, nothing. And she's been devastated for 6 months now.
Interesting. I've had bad breakup, but it was mostly like he was an asshole and I'm not.
People are so afraid of breaking up, they will go on a break and they will explore other options while you're still crying in bed, hoping that they'll come back and improving yourself. And they do come back, but when they come back, you've already become a better version of yourself.
Be like, like a human and meet that person and be upfront about it and confront whatever you have to say and like just break up in a normal way and like not use WhatsApp or Instagram.
Things where it's not a mutual decision.
Gaslight you into believing it was your fault all along.
By cheating on with someone else.
Cheating is just sad.
Through text and through phone call.
Through text.
By ghosting each other.
Notes. Stick on notes. Post-its. Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, I've heard about a couple, and I think maybe just breaking up on text or just up and disappearing, ghosting a person is
In public. And just ghosting. That happened with a friend of mine. Like a 5-year-long relationship and the guy just ghosted her. That's it. And she literally spiraled.
Ghosting someone. I think that's a very coward way of breaking up with somebody because you don't have the ability to face the demons that come from within you when you have to actually end something with somebody else.
Two people who really love each other but they have moved on in their lives. Like you can be with somebody for a long time but then you realize that the other person is not exactly who I want to be with in the next few years of my life. Ghosting, I feel that is the worst way anyone can break up because you kind of give no closure and then you just stop it midway.
I will hear someone say that, oh, but he said that, and I said that, and that's just very silly to me. It sounds very childish because have you not learned enough in life?
They want to, but they don't say it and they just drag it.
he didn't wanted a relationship with me, so I broke up with him. Because like, fuck off, I can't.
I've known people to disappear. Like, I've had some friends who've been dating an individual, and one day she's met the person, and the next day, gayab,
they vanish.
like MIA. Then 3 weeks later, she found out that they moved countries.
Like they ghost. They have this habit of ghosting. I'm not used to it, like someone ghosting me. So the worst way you can destroy a person is ghosting them. So that is not right, what I feel.